right, let's go on. Let's go make this burrito. Add some white rice, some mushrooms. Look at all those greens. Oh yeah, see. Add some chipotle mayo. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. All right, my right game is so on point. And I'm gonna let you see the contents. Look at that, just layers of goodness. All right, now we go on to the burger. We already made this. I showed you that already. Now we got the toasted bun. Got the cucumbers. There's our candy jalapenos. Some of the coleslaw, fried egg. Oh my goodness. The bulgogi burger, ladies and gents. Feast your eyes on that. I mean, that egg, that drip game is so strong. Look at it. Oh man. Alright, nachos. A ballpark favorite right here. Now I fried my own tortilla chips. You could buy yours or fry yours, do whatever you want. And there goes the bulgogi meat that we heaped on the stove top. We got some cheese that we made as well. Look at that fried egg. We're gonna have to add some greens for the colors, some green onions, lime, salsa. You're gonna hurt yourself with that one. Watch out. That's good. All right, now for the healthier people, let's go with the green salad. Gonna saute some mushrooms up. I use portobello because that's one of my favorite mushrooms. Then we have the bulgogi meat right there. We're just gonna slice up very quickly because I'm hungry. Alright, we're gonna add our arugula or whatever greens you like. Got the mushrooms, green onions, cilantro, boiled egg, little carrots, apples, a Korean pear, Korean pear, and the bulgogi. There we go. The bulgogi salad. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have plenty more for you coming. Have a good day.